आप गेम खेलोगे? खेलोगे ना? यस। तो हम एक गैसिंग गेम खेलेंगे एनिमल्स के बारे में। मैं आपको बोलूंगी कुछ वर्ड्स, कुछ सेंटेंसेस, आप गेस करना मैं किस एनिमल के बारे में बोल रही हूँ। ठीक है? ठीक है ना? आई एम ए डोमेस्टिक एनिमल। I like bones. I say woof woof. Which animal am I?
Dog.
Dog. Where is dog? Shinaj, go and show where is dog. Show me where is dog. Dog. Show it to your friends. Come here and show it to your friends. Say this is a dog.
This is a dog.
Very good. Go and keep it back. Okay. Come. I am a wild animal. I live in jungle and I like to eat honey. Which animal am I? I like to eat honey. Very good. Tyra said bear. Tyra, go and show me where is bear. Go fast. Good girl. Where is bear? Come, bring it here and show to your friends. Show it to your friends. This is
Bear.
bear. Go, keep it back. Come fast. Okay, now third animal. I am an animal. I can live both in water and on land. I am green in color. Which animal am I? कौन सा एनिमल हूँ मैं लैंड पे भी रहता हूँ और मैं पानी में भी रहता हूँ और मेरा ग्रीन कलर है। बोलो कौन सा एनिमल हूँ मैं?
Yes. Frog.
Very good. Huneza said frog. Go Huneza.
Frog बोला.
Pause.